In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make logo bigger on Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to Online Store and then select Themes. This is where you can manage the design and layout of your store. Next, find your active theme and click the Customize button next to it. This will open the theme editor where you can adjust different parts of your storefront without needing to edit code. If your goal is simply to make the logo appear larger, this is usually the fastest and easiest method. When the theme editor opens, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on the header section. The header controls the top area of your store, which is where your logo usually appears. Inside this section, look for a setting called Logo Width or Custom Logo Width. The exact label can vary depending on the theme you are using, but it will usually be something very similar. Once you find that setting, increase the size by dragging the slider or by typing in a numerical value in pixels. As you adjust it, you should see the logo update in the preview area. This makes it easy to fine-tune the size and choose a look that feels balanced with the rest of your store header. If the logo becomes too large, it can crowd the navigation menu or push other header elements out of place, so make your changes gradually. After that, check the mobile view by clicking the mobile icon at the top of the screen. This is an important step because a logo that looks great on desktop can sometimes take up too much space on smaller screens. Review how it appears on mobile and make sure the header still looks clean and easy to use. If needed, go back and slightly reduce the width until it looks right across both desktop and mobile layouts. Once you are happy with the size, click Save to apply the changes to your live theme. That is all you need to do to make your logo bigger using the Shopify Theme Customizer. If your theme supports logo width settings, this process should work smoothly and only take a minute or two. That covers everything you need to know.